month? Yeah. I guess the minute we know that, you know, we're getting the cost and everything, we're turning to because honestly, even if it's a $250 a month payment, it's
Yeah.
better than
Cayman.
$1,900.
Yeah. Cayman. Hi, baby. What you got? What you got, Cayman? What you got? Chris, is that Elmo?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna have to go.
You leaving?
Yes, I've been here since 11 today.
Dad?
Yeah, I was gonna be cooking something. I told him that I would be there.